Hi, welcome to Nanyang Education's Primary School Problem Sum series, where we go through upper primary problem sum techniques. In this video, we'll be covering part 4 of our series, Constant Party. This is our second video, Ratios, and we'll go through the basic techniques for this topic. Under our problem sum technique playbook, we have 10 different techniques to go through, and this is just our fourth topic. So don't forget to follow us for more updates on the next few videos. So for this video, the lesson plan will be as such. First, we'll cover a basic question with a step-by-step guide. Next, we have another basic question for you to attempt on your own. And lastly, to really test your understanding, we have an intermediate question for you to try on your own. Without further ado, let's jump right in. So for this question 1, the ratio between the number of cats and dogs was 3:4. 4 cats left, and the ratio was now 1:2. How many dogs were there? So our first step is to draw a before change after model to express the ratio. Let's write down the ratio of cats and dogs. Before that, it will be 3:4. Our change should be that 4 cats left, so cats minus 4. After that, the ratio is 1:2. Now next, we recognize that the number of dogs stays the same. So in this previous table, we have to make sure that the dogs 4 parts before and 2 parts after has to be the same. How do we do that? We have to multiply the after row by 2 times. As such, our ratio after will be 2:4. Now with this new table, we can use the change in the number of cats to find 1 unit. We take 3 units minus 2 units equals to the 4 cats that left, and this is 1 unit. As such, we can easily solve the question now. We take 4 units for the dogs equals to 4 times 4, 16. So that's our answer. There were 16 dogs. Now let's do a recap. First, we draw a before change after model to express their ratio. Next, we recognize that one individual remains constant, and we have to equate his parts for before and after into the same number of units. Next, using our change, we can find 1 unit, and then we can solve the question easily. Now that we have learned how to do the questions, let's attempt another one. The ratio between Arnold and Becky's money was 5:6. After Becky earned $28, she had twice as much money as Arnold. How much money did Arnold have? Now feel free to pause the video and attempt the question first. You can resume the video once you're ready. Alright, so our first step will be to write down the ratio of Arnold and Becky's money. Before that, it will be 5:6. Our change would be Becky earned $28, so Becky plus 28. And after that, the ratio is 1:2. Now Arnold remains the same throughout, so we have to multiply the after row by 5 times to make sure that Arnold before and after would be 5 units. As such, we get our ratio for after to be 5 units is to 10 units. Now let's look at our change for Becky. 10 units after minus 6 units before equals to the $28 that she earned. And this is 4 units. With that, we can find out that 1 unit equals to $7. So how much money does Arnold have? Arnold has 5 units, which is 5 times 7, 35. So Arnold had $35. Now let's try an intermediate difficulty question. The ratio between Mary's and Noah's balls was 4:9. After Mary gained 16 balls, the ratio between their balls is 2:3. How many balls do they have in total now? Feel free to pause the video and attempt the question. You can resume once you're ready. Alright, so our first step is to write down the ratio between Mary and Noah. Before that will be 4:9. Our change will be Mary gained 16 balls. And after that, the ratio is 2:3. Now the number of Noah's balls stays the same throughout. So we have to make sure the after row also has 9 units. So we multiply the after row by 3 times. That will make our ratio 6 unit is to 9 unit. Now let's look at the change for Mary. 6 units for after minus 4 units before equals to the 16 balls that Mary gained. And this is 2 units. As such, we can find out that 1 unit equals to 8. So how many balls do they have in total now? We have to take 6 units plus 9 units equals 15 units. Then we take 15 times 8 to get 120. So that's our answer. They had a total of 120 balls. Did you get it? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!